my dear viewers and my friends. Hi, Mr. Vihar. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Friends, this video tutorial I have prepared on need for communication. You might be knowing the business world where organizations are fast expanding their horizons and international markets and business relations are becoming complex in national and international societies and corporate sectors. The need for communication, friends, is increasing rapidly day by day. So, here in this video, I am going to take into consideration what are those certain points according to which the reasons can be attributed to the need for communication in business world and even in general life. So in this tutorial I will try to pick up those points, the points which will stress the need for communication. So let us see. Friends, in this tutorial we are going to see what is the need for communication, why communication is needed in society. In the business world where organizations are fast expanding into international markets and business relations are becoming complex in national and international societies, the need for communication is increasing rapidly. So here we are going to take a review of some reasons that can be attributed to the need for communication. So let us see. Now, the first reason, size of the organization. Modern organizations are large in size. They have operations at the global level and employ thousands of people to carry out the organizational activities. Increasing number of branch offices and organizational levels require the chief executive to maintain a system of communication where all members work in a closely knit framework of relationships. This is facilitated through an effective communication system. Then, in order to keep harmony in human relations, modern theories of management focus on employee-centered relationships rather than task-centered. If employees are treated as human beings, desired goals will be achieved. Employees are allowed to participate in decision-making processes and also represent on boards of management. Increasing role of employees in carrying out organizational activities requires increasing need for communication between them and the managers. Then, social relations. Business organizations are social institutions. They deal with different sections of society like customers, government, suppliers, and so on. To be successful in achieving their goals, they need to perform the society about their financial and non-financial activities, values, and code of ethics. Communication helps in building corporate image in the society. Then growing role of trade unions. See how it is needed. Trade unions are the representatives of labor force. They represent an important area of organization structure. Managers consult the unions in most of the matters that directly affect workers' interests like wages, working conditions, promotions, and so on. There is regular exchange of information between management and trade unions, and thus the need for effective communication requires. Then, Here, technological development. Technological advancements are rapidly taking place in the modern world. Use of updated technology is necessary for organizations' survival and growth. It can be effective only if people understand new ways of doing things. This requires training and motivation of the staff, which necessitates the need for effective communication. Then, development of behavioral sciences. Modern management theories are applications of behavioral sciences. They draw knowledge from different fields of study like sociology, anthropology, psychology, and the like. This requires communication amongst behavioral experts, and thus the need for effective communication system requires. Then increasing competition. Competition amongst business firms, economic sectors, public and private, Indian and foreign firms, and financial institutions like banks and other financial institutions is increasing and requires business organizations to remain well informed of competitors' policies and strategies. They must remain aware of changes in economic and non-economic policies. Communication with different sections of society in this regard helps firms survive in the environment of stiff competition. Then IT, information technology. It is fast expanding and affecting business decisions. Decisions and activities are based on latest information available through management information system, and this highlights the need for effective communication. Then growing specializations. Modern business organizations are highly specialized. Each department looks after related set of activities. For example, production department looks after production and sales department looks after sales only. So this is how there is a need of communication in business world and in social world. However, both these departments constantly communicate with each other so that production and sales are coordinated with each other. Lack of coordination may result in underproduction or sales. So this is how, friends, we find need of communication is required on a large scale. Thank you.